When a storm is coming, getting sandbags shouldn't be a challenge. ESR works with municipalities to set up multiple distribution points at once, reducing long lines, traffic delays, and last-minute scrambling. Instead of a single crowded pickup site, our system helps get sandbags where they're needed, quickly and efficiently. When your city partners with ESR, flood preparation becomes faster, smoother, and more accessible. Let your local leaders know you want a better flood response. Visit our website to take action and lead the way to a better tomorrow.